Hi, I'm Ms. Fu. Today we're going to look at tables and sample space in probability. Example 1. 2 dice are rolled. What is the probability of rolling at least 1 6? When 2 dice are rolled, there are a lot of outcomes. 6 times 6 is 36 outcomes. So it's a good idea to draw them neatly in a table. Let's say for the first die, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll put them into that column there. And for the second die, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again. I'll put them over there. So rolling a 1 and a 1 would be written there. If I roll the 1 with a blue dice and a 2 with a pink dice will be there. 1 and 3 would be there. So I fill in the table and I now have my sample space. And it's quite neat. Notice that I've done them in 2 different colors so you can see that, for example, this box here means rolling a 6 with the first die and a 4 with the second die. You don't have to use colors though. Now let's answer the question. What is the probability of rolling at least 1 6? So now we look for 6s and it's nice and clear so it's easy to find. So these I have at least 1 6. Where else can you see 6? Over here and nowhere else. So now all we have to do is count them. So the probability of at least 1 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 over the total, which was 36. Example 2. A die is rolled and a coin is tossed. List the possible outcomes in a table and find the probability of the following. So a dice first and then a coin. So this time we can have the coin as heads and tail and then the dice over there. So the combination we could get are heads and 1, heads and 2, heads and 3, etc, etc. Let's answer the question. Probability of tails. What are the chances of getting tails? So that would be, well, there are 12 combinations in total and 6 of them are tail. So we have 6 over 12 or 1 over 2. B, probability of tails and an even number. Now remember it's over 12 because that's how many outcomes there are. Now we just have to look for T and the even number. So the T2, T4 and T6. So there are 3 possible successful outcomes over 12 and that simplifies to be 1 over 4. Part C, probability of heads and number less than 3. So we can look at the table. It's quite easy to see that we have less than 3 as 1 and 2. 3 is not less than 3, so make sure you don't include that. So we have 2 choices out of the 12, which simplifies to be 1 over 6. Example 3. You're playing rock, paper, scissors. Find the probability of A, both players showing rock, B, at least one player showing rock. Let's draw a table. So we have player 1 and player 2. So the combinations are in there. I've drawn them, but you can just simply do R for rock, P for paper, and S for scissors. So we can see that the total number of outcomes is 9, and the probability of both playing showing rock will be, well, both playing rocks is there, 1 out of 9. Part B, at least one playing showing rock. So let's have a look at all the rocks over there and there. So that's 5 out of 9. Thank you for watching. I hope that clarifies how to use a table to represent sample space. And if you want to stay notified and see the videos as soon as they come out, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you next time. Bye!